Hey everybody, it's Melissa McFarlane with Creative Successful Entrepreneurs. I am really excited to take a moment after our huge event, Play Big, to stop, breathe, and thank one of our main supporters, one of my main team members, Michelle Lange. Without Michelle this year, we would never ever have gotten on video. I had a deathly fear of just really getting on video all the time. I couldn't do it. And Michelle took me by the hand, said it's totally easy, let's make this happen, and gave me the ability not only to get on video, but then she gave me a strategy for rolling those videos out, told me what to shoot, when to shoot it, what I didn't need to shoot, all of that. Then she gave me that strategy, and then she held my hand to make sure I was executing on it. Not only that, Michelle then took those videos and embedded them in a much larger launch strategy for a program for our event here, which meant that we had people flooding the gates and showing up here, commenting on our live stream, showing up and purchasing our live stream because of that incredible launch. With Michelle, she made it easy, she made it fun. She actually made it fun. And now I don't have that fear. I have all the skills I need to just do that all the time. I'm really comfortable shooting video now. And we do understand how to actually launch something large so we can get people at large into our events, into our programs in a really easy way. Such a huge benefit that she gave our business, and major financial impact for me as well. You know, you only have a few hands, a few things you can do. Even my whole team maxed out could not have done what Michelle helped us to do with the launch. We did not know how with the video. We did not know how. So I just really encourage you to get over your fear. Hire the one person who can help you not only shoot and learn how to shoot for yourself, so you don't have to hire and spend a lot of money either necessarily all the time, and then take those videos, embed them in a larger marketing strategy, and you'll be on your way to doubling your client list, doubling your income from those people walking through the door, which has certainly been some of the benefits that have happened for me in working with Michelle. Thank you so much, Michelle.